These are called twist drills, not drill bits. I don't consider them to be called drill bits. I think that's just, it doesn't really mean anything. Whereas you can ask for a 130-degree split point twist drill, you get that. 127-degree split point twist drill, you get that. Brad point twist drill, you get this thing for wood cutting. This is specific, it means something. It's called a twist drill. That's what I think it's called. If you think it's drill bits, good for you. You can go ahead and tell me what you think they're called in the comment section, but these are twist drills.